What is up, nation? Happy Tuesday. And dive right into it. So our Metcon today, it's going to be 4 rounds. You're going to have 10 burpees, 10 American kettlebell swings, so that's all the way up to the top, 10 goblet squats, and then from there, 10 hang cleans, right? 5 each arm. Those burpees, just good old nice burpees, and then from there, our American kettlebell swings, we'll demo those real fast. So we'll deadlift it up, hip hinge at the hips, shooting all the way up, just like that, 10 of those. After that, you'll use that same kettlebell, right to that goblet position, boom, squatting all the way down. Hold it however you want, right? Coach Briggs hold it from the bowl, you can hold it from the horns. And then from there, 5 hang cleans. It'll be with the kettlebell as well, come down, hip hinge, shooting right to your shoulder, right? From here, try to really make sure you're aiming for that shoulder instead of it coming down, crashing down to us, right? It should be a quick flip, right front, right position. 5 on one side, 5 on the other. 4 rounds as fast as possible. You got a 12-minute cap. Notes today, weight-wise, should be simulating right that 50, 30, or 35 kettlebell. If not, you can totally use a dumbbell. Or if you have that kettlebell that is somewhat close to that weight, go ahead and rock that. Our strength, it's going to be every 90 seconds for 8 sets, right? So on this first, you're going to have 10 odd objects suitcase deadlift. So that odd object is going to be off to the side for you, just like a suitcase would be. And then from there, you're going to deadlift it up 5 times on that one side. Switch it on over 5 times on the other. And then from there, you're going to have 5 broad jumps. This is just standing for as far as possible. Same, every time we broad jumps, really try to land softly though. But get as far as you can. Whatever room you guys have, you know, if you're doing it in your living room or something like that, just get as far as you can. But, right, the odd objects, notice we have some chairs, suitcase. I would say make it somewhat heavy, but I mean, get creative for today, right? You have those 5. Back nice and flat, hip hinging from there, deadlifting up, you can rock a backpack. Well, there you go. Be 5 on one side, 5 on the other, and then from there, just go right into those broad jumps, jumping as far as you can. Oh yeah. Okay guys, yeah, that'll be pretty much it for the 90 seconds for 8 sets. And then from here, we're gonna get into our warm-up. Warm-up is gonna be 10 single leg RDLs with a plate. So if you don't have a plate, that's totally fine. Right, I would say something nice and light. You're just gonna go 10 single. So I'll go down 1, switch on over till you get to 10. We have 8 skater vertical jumps. So what those will look like, I'll skater over. Once I boom, nice, and then skate over. This would be 2. Good. Have 8 of those. After that 8, you'll go into the 20-second Superman plank. Remember, that's hands and feet off to the ground, starting that plank position, and then reach those hands out or those arms as far as you can, holding that for 20 seconds. After that, you'll have 8 glute bridges, walkouts, so hips will be nice and high, right? This will be mainly driving from our heels, right? Coach Briggs will walk up those heels, nice, as far as you can, and then slowly walk them back in. Cool. 2 rounds of that, and then from here, just a real quick, fast general warm-up. You'll have frog jumps, Spider-Mans, right, so those frog jumps. Booyah, and then into the Spider-Man. Yeah, guys, after that Spider-Man, we're just speeding it up, going into mountain climbers. Get the heart rate up. After that, you'll go right into our plank up-downs. After those plank up-downs, bear crawling it, and then from there, just inchworming it out for that last 30 seconds. Got plenty of those, and then from here, we're just gonna have a nice good 1-rounder of some Metcon prep. You're gonna have 10 scat push-ups into a 20-second split leg hold, and then from there 10 squat jumps. On these squat jumps, get nice and low, right? Really not focusing on the jumping high, just squatting low and jumping up nice, getting those legs warmed up. And then from there, the 20-second downward dog hold is just going to be where our hips are holding up nice and high. Coach Briggs will just demo that real fast. Yeah, just from the top. After those scat push-ups, go into that split leg hold, nice. And then squat jumps. Oh yeah. And then after that, just that downward dog, holding right there for 20. And that would be it. Rocking that for Tuesday. Have some fun.